Hi all. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you to our channel Ni and La Online. As I told you, optometry optics is a subject which is mainly deals with lenses and frames. Our previous classes were all about the supporting topics which is needed to learn in optometry optics. We can start our core topic ophthalmic lenses. It's a lengthy topic, so it is difficult for me to cover and you to follow the entire topic using a single video. That's why I am planning to discuss all the important points of ophthalmic lenses within 3 or 4 videos. We can start our topic. Today's lesson includes ophthalmic lenses definition, indications and types, sign convention and cardinal data, and finally unit of lenses. Different authors and different books define ophthalmic lenses differently. Here I mention two definitions of ophthalmic lenses. First one is based on its primary function. A spectacle lens or an ophthalmic lens is an optical device which helps the light rays to focus on the retina by changing the versions of light. What is the primary and most important function of an ophthalmic lens? Changing or altering the versions of light rays. Here we define ophthalmic lens based on its primary function. Then second definition, it is based on its structural characteristics. A lens may be defined as an optical medium bounded by two polar surfaces, one of them must be curved. An optical medium means any transparent medium through which the light can travel. Usually, the lenses are made up of isotropic optical medium. The term isotropic means any medium which has same optical properties in all the area. When you look at a lens, the shape of a lens is resembled to a seed. Due to this similarity, the term lens is derived from a Latin word lentil meaning seed. Indications of lenses. Correction of refractive errors and presbyopia is the primary and most important application of an ophthalmic lens. Then, protection against dust and foreign body. Ophthalmic lens act as a barrier between external environment and our ocular surface and protect our eyes from dust particles. Then, protection from harmful radiation. In our video about electromagnetic radiation, we already discussed about different radiation and their harmful effect upon the eyes. There are special lenses such as tinted lenses, photochromic lenses and polarized lenses. These lenses absorb, reflect these harmful radiation and protect our eyes. Last one, reducing eye strain. Recently developed lenses such as anti-fatigue lenses reduce the eye strain and relax our eyes. These are the main indication of an ophthalmic lens. Mainly, ophthalmic lenses are divided into two, spherical lenses and astigmatic lenses. Spherical lens is a part of sphere and form a point image of a point object. Astigmatic lens is a part of cylinder and form line image or line images of a point object. Spherical lens is mainly used for correction of hypermetropia, myopia and presbyopia. Astigmatic lens is mainly used for different type of astigmatism such as simple astigmatism, compound astigmatism and mixed astigmatism. We can discuss about these two lenses in detail in our next video. And then sign convention. Sign convention describe optics of lenses easily without any confusion and errors, which indicate whether corresponding surface is convex or concave. There are 8 points. We should remember these 8 points while calculating a power of a unload lens, etc. First point, in optical drawing, light is considered as traveling from left to right. All the distance are measured from optical center of the lens. Next, measurement taken from left of the lens is considered as negative and right of the lens is considered as positive. And measurement taken above the principal axis are positive and below the principal axis are negative. Clockwise angles are negative and anti-clockwise angles are positive. These are the 8 points of sign convention. Then cardinal data of a spherical lens. I know that you must be already familiar with this point. I am only going to revise the important points of the cardinal data. First one, center of curvature. It is defined as the center of spherical surface from which the lens has been formed. Then radius of curvature. It is defined as the radius of sphere from which the lens has been formed. Then principal axis. It is an imaginary line that passes through the center of curvature of the lens. Optical center, it is a point on the principal axis through the rays of light passes without any deviation. Principal focus, a lens has two focus because a lens also consists of two principal focus. They are the meeting point of parallel arteries on the principal axis. There are two principal focus f1 and f2. Then focal length, it is defined as the distance between optical center of the lens and its foci, which is measured strength of the lens to converge or diverge light rays and is denoted by the letter f. A lens has two principal foci and it also has two focal length f1 and f2. f1 is the first principal focus and f2 is the second principal focus. Then power of a lens, it is the ability of lens to change the versions of light beam and measured as the reciprocal of focal length in meter. Power of a lens is denoted by the letter F or D. Unit of lens power. There are two units. First one is the inch notation. It is the oldest unit for specifying power, in which the lens is represented by a number which is equal to the focal length of the lens in inches. Then second one, diopter. It is the universally accepted modern unit for specifying lens, which is equal to reciprocal of the lens power in meter. Formula to find out power of a lens in diopter using focal length. If the focal length is given in meter, the formula is 1 by f. If it is in centimeter, the formula becomes 100 by f. If the focal length in millimeter, the formula becomes 1000 by f. For convex lens has a positive focal length, so prefix plus sign before dioptric power, and concave lens has a negative focal length, so prefix minus sign before dioptric power. Astigmatic lens power is always specified in dioptric power with orientation of lens axis. Calculate the dioptric power for lenses with following focal length. There are three questions. In first question, the focal length is 2 meter and the light rays are focused on right side. So the lens is convex. So prefix plus sign before the power. The final power of the lens is 1 by 2 equal to plus 0.50 diopter. Then second question, the light rays are focused on left side. So the lens is concave and the focal length is 20 centimeter. So the formula become 100 by 20 equal to minus 5 diopter. The last question, here focal length is 50 millimeter. So the formula become 1000 by 50 equal to 20 diopter. The light rays are focused on right side. So the power of lens is plus 20 diopter. For more videos, please subscribe our channel Niantla Online and also put your valuable opinion in comment section. Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.